Forward towards circularity with Castrol Techniclean XBC. When cleaning fluids are underperforming, they can compromise productivity and increase operating costs. Also, the coolant elements they wash off can push up the development of foam and create unwanted residues on parts and components. The result is more frequent, costly disposal and replacement of the wash fluid. There is an alternative. Castrol Techniclean XBC is a high-performance cleaner that doesn't raise operating costs, it cuts them. Techniclean XBC is formulated without problem chemicals such as boron and formaldehyde-releasing biocides. It has low foam characteristics over a wide temperature range and excellent demulsification properties for longer bath life. And that's not all. Castrol Techniclean XBC can also be recycled. It's compatible with Castrol's Alusol and High-Sol XBB cutting fluids, which means when it reaches its end of life, Techniclean XBC can be reused straight from the cleaner bath to replace water in a central coolant system without compromising the performance of the machining process. One automotive OEM supplier has reduced waste cleaning solution from 400,000 to 150,000 litres, recycled 250,000 litres, and has also cut operational costs by €25,000 a year. With Techniclean XBC, you use less water, you reduce waste, and you reduce wastewater costs by up to 60%, all while maintaining high levels of cleaning performance. Castrol Techniclean XBC. Contact Castrol and let's move forward towards circularity.